Hey guys, so today we are going to be making Snickerdoodle cookies. This is something I've never made before and I've always wanted to make it, and we haven't made cookies in a while, I don't think. So that's what we're going to be making today, and I think like Snickerdoodles is just like a good fall recipe because it's got like cinnamon in it, so I don't know, it just makes me think of fall. So yeah, that's what we're gonna be doing, so let's get started. For this recipe, you will need 1 cup of butter at room temperature, 3/4 cup of granulated sugar, half a cup of light brown sugar, 1 whole egg and 1 yolk, 1 tablespoon of vanilla, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of cream of tartar, half a teaspoon of kosher salt, 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, and finally 2 3/4 cup of flour. First, using a stand mixer with a paddle attachment, add in the butter, granulated sugar, and light brown sugar, and mix that on a medium speed until it's light and fluffy. Next, add in the egg, the yolk, the vanilla, the baking soda, the cream of tartar, the salt, and the cinnamon, and mix that for 1 minute. Next, just add in all of the flour and mix that on a very low speed, like the lowest speed possible. And then just mix that until it's combined. The ingredients we'll need for the cinnamon sugar mixture is 1/4 cup of granulated sugar and 1 tablespoon of ground cinnamon. So now in a separate bowl, we're going to make the cinnamon sugar. So all you have to do is add the cinnamon and the sugar to the bowl and then just mix that together with a spatula until it's all combined. Now just scoop out a 2 tablespoon size cookie dough ball and roll that in the cinnamon sugar so that it's completely covered, and then you could just transfer that to a cookie sheet. Make sure your cookie dough balls are 2 inches apart on your cookie sheet because these will spread out in the oven. And then bake this at 325 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 to 12 minutes. Also, make sure to turn the cookie sheets around halfway through baking. And these are the beautiful finished Snickerdoodle cookies. This is something I've never made before, so I was really excited to make it and try it out because I've never eaten them before either. And oh my god, they were so good. They were so soft and chewy, so if you like really soft cookies, you would love this recipe. It was just perfection. I love the flavor and the texture. It was just so good. And also, if you like a little bit more of a crunchy cookie, you could bake it for an extra 2 minutes. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe because I post every Tuesday, and comment down below any questions or suggestions for what you want to see me bake next. And my social medias are always in the description, so go follow me on my Instagram and Twitter for more awesome stuff. And I'll see you guys soon. Bye!